Babe, I'm sick of this. How much more we have to watch the
You don't see LeBron killing this shit right now?
Let's get something to eat. Just order some pizza or something.
Alright, what do you want? What do you want?
I don't know. Cheese, the
Cheese?
crust,
Want some pizza?
some toppings.
Some toppings?
Yes.
Alright. You know, I gotta have my pork.
Ridiculous.
Mm. Yeah, is this Speedy Pizza Delivery? Yeah, let me get a cheese.
Extra cheese.
Extra cheese. Cause we got a big eater over here. And also some pork pizza. Okay, how long will that be? What? You're outside? Alright. What is that? Is that? Oh shit. Is that?
Why this dirty girl not answer the door, man?
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, you have me out here waiting.
No.
You have me out here waiting and you have the smell bad pizza on my left hand right now and I want to box you with it.
It's what?
Because you not answer the door for me to give you the pizza and you take the pizza and you make you shit up your stomach.
What? Excuse me? I can't understand
Me say,
what you're
me
saying.
soon slap you with it.
I don't understand.
Yeah, you try
what
them
you're
and you
saying.
live at them and come out nasty. You not understand me here, brother, talk to her.
Oh, walk on.
Wait. Why are there two of you?
Me say cause I'm a brother.
If you order this stinking dirty pizza,
A stinking pizza?
we smell like dog
It
shit.
smells fine.
Are you?
The pizza.
The pizza, you understand what I
It
say?
smells fine.
No?
No.
You want to smell it? Well, at $50.
Me say man, if you eat this, you shit up grease.
At $50.
I'm tip.
50?
Tip.
Plus
Ma'am,
tax.
ma'am, tip.
They said 15 on the phone.
Alright, forget what them say over phone.
Yeah.
No.
$50.
15.
Hello, inflation right now. Come.
1.5.
Step up,
50
step
plus
up,
tax. You long time
I don't know where you guys
Come
are
on, tip
from.
there. So we tip there, we tip
The
there.
longer you talk, the more the pizza.
Tip, ma'am, tip. More tip,
Take
ma'am.
it first.
Here,
More
take
tip.
it 20.
Take the wallet.
No, hold on, no, man. Plus the wallet, plus here. Hold on. Just take the jam.
Wait.
Yo, what took you so long with the pizza?
You don't understand what I had to go
Just give
through.
me the damn pizza, man. What took you so freaking long with the pizza?
My life.
Yeah.
Hey yo, check this, see that girl in this a TikTok. We say her something tight like a ziplock. She come in my room on this, I beg me for the big cup. We flip up on her back on this, I twist her like a twister. We twist her like a twister. Yo, Vince, you know, see the girl them a pray with. Half the girls them sugar no beanie. Girl just a bounce on the body like a jockey. Then a TikTok like the clock on the cocky.